I never thought you could make real money just by scaring people with facts. Until I found this TikTok account, World.wide.story. They tell these short, creepy stories, all based on real events and real history. And they do it with these dark, cinematic AI cartoons that look straight out of your nightmares. And get this, they're making over $9,000 a month doing it. One of their videos, The Bodies on Mount Everest, has over 31 million views. Then I checked YouTube. There's a channel called Empty Blank. Same vibe, different platform. They turn Japanese horror myths into AI animated shorts, and every single video racks up millions of views. That's when it hit me. This isn't just entertainment, it's psychology. Fear grabs attention, curiosity keeps it, and that perfect mix is why the horror niche is secretly one of the most profitable spaces in short-form content right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate the worldwide story formula in just a few clicks using Clippy AI to write, generate, and produce your own viral horror stories from scratch. No manual editing, no wasted time generating every single image. Just type your topic and let Clippy do the work. Let's go. The tool we're using is called Clippy AI, and trust me, this thing is a cheat code. It can help you create viral shorts literally 100 times faster than doing it manually. So here's how it works. First, go to the link in the description and sign up. Once you're in, hit get started, and boom, you'll land on this clean, simple dashboard. Right away, you'll see a library of trending templates, but the one we want, the one dominating right now, is called Creepy Cartoon. Click it, and this is where your story begins. Now, Clippy gives you two options. You can paste your own script or let Clippy's built-in AI write it for you. For this tutorial, let's test the AI writer. I've got an idea. Set your video length to around 45 seconds, type your prompt, create a script about Area 51, and hit generate. As Clippy works its magic, you can literally see the script forming. And the best part, it's built to go viral because it taps into that timeless curiosity around secrets, conspiracies, and the unknown. Now that we've got our script, next step, choose your art style. There are tons here, but I'm going with dark comic. It's eerie, cinematic, and looks exactly like the horror-style shorts blowing up online. Then click next. All right, now we're at the voiceover section. And here's something cool. Every single voice in Clippy comes from 11 labs, so the quality is next level. Click select voice character and scroll through the list. You'll notice the trending ones have a little graph icon beside them. For this kind of story, I'm picking Adam. Deep, cinematic, and perfect for that mysterious, documentary-style tone. Set the stability around 50% and the similarity around 50% too. Next, choose your video pace. I like to keep it fast, around 1 to 3 seconds per scene. Then hit generate scenes. Choose whether you want portrait for TikTok or shorts or landscape for YouTube. Hit generate and let the AI do its thing. Now sit back. Clippy starts creating the voiceover and visuals automatically. Give it about a minute and your entire story comes alive. Every image, every frame, every line, completely generated from your script. The result? Insane quality. The lighting, colors, and characters look like something out of a professional short film. If you want to regenerate any of these scenes, just click here. Modify the image prompt or type a new one, then hit generate. You can also adjust the motion right here by zooming in or out however you like. Most creators in this niche use this exact type of motion, but I've got another option for you. If you want to turn these images into full video clips, you can do that too. Just right-click the image, save it to your computer, then open Clippy in a new tab. Click this icon, select AI Playground, and you'll see a bunch of video generation models. You can try Sora, Veo 3, whatever you like. I'm going with Dance because it uses fewer credits and still gives solid results. Next, upload the image you saved, add a short description of the scene, choose your video ratio and the quality you want, and click here to start generating. After a few seconds, your animated scene is ready. Download it. Now head back to the previous tab, open the same scene, and click here to upload the video and replace the original image. Now that scene is fully animated. Then save the next image to your computer, go back to the other tab, upload it, add a short video prompt, and hit generate again. In a few seconds, your next scene is animated. Download it, replace the image, and you're done. Repeat this process for every scene you want to animate. Once that's ready, scroll to background soundtracks. You'll find dozens of cinematic, eerie tracks. For this one, I picked Green to Blue. It's soft, haunting, the perfect match for dark, mysterious storytelling. Just lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower your voice. Next up, transitions. I like keeping mine on smooth. Then head over to captions. Pick a caption template that fits your vibe. You can customize everything: font, size, color. Now hit preview and watch what you've built. Your story, fully animated, fully voiced, complete with music, captions, and transitions, all created in minutes by AI. And when you're happy with it, click export. Add your video title, hit render video, and you're done. You just created a viral, dark cartoon short, the exact same kind of content pulling millions of views on TikTok and YouTube.
In the heart of Nevada's desert lies a secretive military base known as Area 51. For decades, it has been the epicenter of conspiracy theories, UFO sightings, and whispers of extraterrestrial life. But what really goes on behind those barbed wire fences? The U.S. government only acknowledged its existence in 2013, fueling speculation about what they were hiding. Some believe it's a testing ground for advanced aircraft, while others are convinced it's a hub for alien technology. The infamous Roswell incident in 1947 only added to the intrigue, with many claiming that the wreckage was transported to Area 51 for study.
If you want to start creating these viral AI shorts yourself, check out Clippy AI. They've got 3 plans: Light, Creator, and Pro, each packed with credits, AI voices, and insane export limits. And hey, if this tutorial helped you, hit that subscribe button right now, because every week on ReachMora, we uncover new ways to grow faster with AI.